Alright, y'all, check it out. She runs. Now, I had to do a few things. You'll notice. Got this tied down, so didn't have to do much to it. Cleaned the carburetor, noticed it was grounding itself out, so I undid the grounding wire from the coil. Okay. That's why I have this. Okay. This cable, not the right one. Okay. That's why it's grounding itself out. So that's why I have to pop off the spark plug wire to shut it off. But she runs. The wheels on the inside of them, they're ground down, so I ordered 2 new wheels. Guys, it didn't take much. So she runs, she's alive, didn't take much. This was thrown out. Okay? Easy. Remember to like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.